Welcome back to your girl's channel. My name is Jamala if you are new, and I'm finally back with a new video. So if you like to see how I got this super cute quick weave claw clip hairstyle, then just stay tuned. So of course I like to start off with freshly washed and blow dried hair. I went ahead and parted my hair off camera, as I always do, because this is the part I struggle with. But basically I just have 3 parts, one in the back, one in the middle, and then one in the front. You'll kind of see like what the point of each part is further along in the video, but basically this is how you want to part your hair. Hopefully you can see what I did. But I'm gonna start by braiding the hair in the back portion first and braiding that down, because that's gonna be where I lay the tracks for the bottom of my half up, half down that I'm gonna be doing. I won't be showing me applying the cap and doing all the like molding down and all that, because I have several videos of that on my channel already. So if you need more of a description on that, you can go ahead and watch those. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish braiding and then you're gonna see the cap already applied in just a second. This is how it should look once you have everything nice and molded. I like to apply my tracks in a U-part or horseshoe shape because I'm going to be doing the leave out or no leave out method. Excuse me. It's a no leave out method. So by doing it this way, I'm making sure I don't have any tracks showing in the back and I don't have to leave any of my hair out, which is great. So that's all I'm doing here. I'm mixing blonde and black. I think it's 27 and just like a 1B. Again, I'll have it in the description box. But yeah, that's all that I do. I basically like to brush through it to kind of get like a better idea on how it's blending. So yeah, you can do it however you please. If you want more blonde, girl, do more blonde. If you want more black, do more black. This is how mine turned out. This is a custom blend balayage. Okay, turned out real cute, real cute. I definitely need to run this back now that I'm editing this video. I'm like, yeah, this was a cute little hairstyle. I could do a little better, but y'all gonna see at the end. Anyways, now that I have the back finished, I'm starting the middle section, which is gonna be where the claw clip comes into play. Little faux claw clip or whatever. So I'm adding in tracks throughout my hair. Now, if you're intimidated by glue, by all means, you don't have to do this. I did it this way because I wanted to add more hair and I just wanted to continue that balayage look, highlight look. So I just added a few tracks, not too many. I'm going to be going in with this even spray just to mold it all down and create a ponytail. And, you know, going in with the blow dryer, molding all that down, making sure it's all sleek and nice. And there you have it, a ponytail. Now I did the ponytail off camera, but I noticed that it wasn't full enough for me, so I'm just adding a piece of track here just to make it a little bit more full, so I have a little bit more volume, because you know I like full hair, y'all. Kind of got a big head, so I gotta get more hair for me to feel a little bit more comfortable. So yeah, I'm just doing that, wrapping it around, nothing special, before I go ahead and basically do the faux claw clip and just make an illusion of it being clipped in. You can actually use a claw clip, I guess. There's no reason not to, but yeah, for this hairstyle, people were doing the flip over little thing. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm basically just flipping over the ponytail. taking some of the hair back and then creating like a small bun, as you can see, and then flipping the hair back. The hair is a little bit too long, so I went in and, you know, shaped it, cut it down some more. So I played with this for a while. I just couldn't get the right look. I guess I needed it to be like way shorter than I initially thought. So yeah, play with it however you want. I put some bobby pins in too, just to, you know, make it look a little bit better. Now I kind of have a better idea on how to do this hairstyle. So if I do it again, I feel like it'll come out a lot better. But I mean, this is my first time, y'all. This is my first time, okay? So give me some grace. For the front and final piece, you're just gonna sleek this down, slick, however you want to say it. Front of my hair is like damaged. It's my area of my hair that I have the most problems with. So I had to add another piece. Again, like I said, you don't have to do this, but I'm doing this because I need to. And yeah, I just want to make sure that it's nice and full in the front, and my hair doesn't start lifting, which it still did, because I do have some shorter pieces in my hair. But anyways, I'm just going in with a little wax stick, brushing that through, and then I'm going to spray some even spray and start molding this thing down. Do the same thing to the other side, and then later on I will show you how I attach the pieces in the back, and then we pretty much done, girl. Let me just say, this was the very first time I molded the front down. I came back and refilmed the ending of this video because like right after this I had somewhere to be, so I didn't quite finish the video. But I did this part really well the very first time, and I could not get it like this again. I don't know how I did it, but I could not get it exactly the same. So at the end of the video, it ain't gonna look as smooth, but just know I did it well in the beginning. So it is what it is. We can't be perfect, y'all. I gotta learn that, because that is my hardest thing. Because when I get it good one time and I can't get it again, it's like my biggest pet peeve. Anyways, y'all not here to hear that. And y'all see how flat that is? So flat, so good. I just wish it would have turned out like that at the end. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to do that same thing to the other side. Like I said earlier, nice and molded and flat and into place. This is actually my first time using that even spray, and I really like it. I don't know if they said that one or the black one was better, but yeah, I liked it. Look how it looks. Really nice, really smooth. You can't really see where I added the track. That's nice. We love that. So, you know, do that to the other side and then bow. Didn't know that clip was coming up. You have both sides done, and now I'm going to gather both in and make a ponytail. And it's a lot easier because I added those tracks, so I have more hair to grab. And that is it, y'all. That was all she wrote. Look how she turned out. Super cute. Not as flat and molded as it was just a couple seconds ago, but we're gonna act like we can't see that. She's cute. I really like this hairstyle, y'all. I definitely got a lot of compliments with this one. And yeah, let me know if y'all want some more quick weave videos. I find that I really like quick weaves, so you're probably gonna see more of them anyways. But yeah, let me know how you guys think I did. Comment some more videos or hairstyles you would like me to try, and I'll see you in the next one.